And we are only strong if we are united, and we are weak if we are divided. Magandang Jensen.
Now, 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe! Good day pageant lovers, good news dahil pasok nga sa top 25 si Miss Lars Pacheco sa Miss Mandirigma Philippines 2025 competition. And now after top 25 announcement, naganap agad ang Q&A round o ang first Q&A round. And now let's take a look sa Q&A ng ating top 25 na si Lars Pacheco. Let's watch this.
Unity in the community must be the priority. As a trans woman who fear discrimination and unjust treatment, I think now is the time for us to have a law that protects not just the LGBT but everyone. SOGI bill it is. And I think the reason why it's hard to pass, because I think we're not ready for it. Why? Because we are divided. We are fighting. Now is the time for us to unite as one, fight for our rights.
Thank you so much for watching, and of course patuloy na mantabay sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga kaganapan sa Miss Mandirigma Philippines 2025. We will be uploading lahat ng mga updates para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe.